So these fabrics today are all getting ready for tomorrow night. I'm putting up a YouTube on number 123, our dual wrap top. It's brand new, they're 123 for spring. And we've had lots of questions about it and lots of comments and suggestions. And so I wanted you to see fabrics that are perfect for it. I think there's just a little bit of fun that we can have with these fabrics. So I'm going to start with layering, and we're going to start with 100% cotton. This is a white, very beautiful, and clearly it can go, you know, you could layer it like this and make the swags or the wraps out of the lace and then make the base out of the cotton. That would just be a beautiful combination. So that's what I want to show you. 100% cotton, stretch in one direction. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, more stretch in one than the other. Isn't that beautiful though? Oh, I just think that'd be so much fun just with jeans for the summer or capris or whatever. And then we have this black and white polka dot. It's a netting, which I absolutely love, and you're going to see that's what I did my top out of. And I mean, this on is just so flattering. It's amazing. This is a cotton poly sheer. I just used the sheer all the way down because I knew there would be black, like a black pant underneath, and you can't see through. Then look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And again, we have it's 6222, I think is the name of the black fabric that you could put underneath part of it. And then it creates this beautiful look. I just think that's gorgeous. This is also a cotton poly. Then we have the stretch. Again, anything with little bitty holes is just so pretty to show it off. And great drape. Great drape is the answer. This is a cotton poly. All of these are $12.99 today and tomorrow. And then this is an ITY, but our ITYs today, and I made one out of this too, you'll see that tomorrow night. This has stretch in both direction. Our ITYs today are coming with cotton in them. They're not all poly anymore. So it's exciting to see them progress and really have such a great hand and such a great drape, and yet be so much better. So for 123, this is kind of what our target is. Be sure and watch tomorrow night, and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.